This is your girl Bubbles. Let's get in the buzz. Citizens of Trinidad and Tobago will no longer need entry visas to travel to European countries. Excuse me, when will Jamaicans have this privilege? I'm just wondering. First Lady Michelle Obama surpasses Oprah as the most powerful African American according to Forbes list. Sorry guys, but it looks like Shonda Paul's career is about done. Wah wah wah. KLE Group Limited announces 8 new territories, including the Middle East, for tracks and records. This is surely news because the word on the street is y'all are losing money. Dream Entertainment has recently signed a deal with American online company Expedia. Previously, in our buzz segment, we spoke about KLE's big announcement of expanding tracks and records. Former board member Craig Powell had a lot to say about it on Facebook. He deleted his post, but thank God for screenshots. Chris Brown versus Tyson Beckford. Last weekend, Tyson Beckford posted a picture with Chris Brown's ex-girlfriend Kawasaki, and he was all up in his feelings, posting threats on social media. People are taking sides. Whose side are you on? Hashtag Team Breezy, hashtag Team Light Skin, hashtag I Heart Light Skin.
Charlie, can we play? He don't want to play.
There's a new fad taking over social media called the Charlie game, where people use it to contact spirits. Us Caribbean people aren't really into those things.
Charlie, would you? I ain't doing that.
Save up to 30% when you book from Iberostar's website. JMMB is having a goal setter competition where you can win $650,000. Digicel Antigua is having a photo competition where you can win 1 month free data. Share your web and social media updates with us by using the hashtag #InTheBuzz. Be sure to subscribe to our page. And that was the buzz. I'm bubbling up.